Today I'm going to show you how I repurpose my Christmas wreath as a bird feeder in the garden. So I'm going to get started by just taking off anything that I can reuse next year. So I'm going to take off the ribbon, I'm going to take off the lights, and I'm going to take off these bells so that I can use those again next year. And then I'm going to tie on some bird feeder bits I've picked up from the shop today. I've got some like suet filled coconuts. I've got some little bits my boys made, like toilet roll tubes with peanut butter and bird seeds. And I've got some sticks and like suet logs that I've just wrapped some twine around, and I'm going to tie them on to my wreath, just like you would a cinnamon stick. And then I'm going to hang it up outside for the birds to enjoy.